Welcome to MIW. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about communication, of course. I feel this is a very important thing that we need to discuss because a lot of parents are not that involved in the lives of their children. So I'm going to talk about how you can make your home more interesting and also make it more fun for the children to enjoy as well. I think a lot of parents struggle to give the loving part, but when it comes to the fun part, they miss out on that, and it's a very important part of it. As you can see, your own home can turn into a wonderland for the children. As you can see, all the kids now are having fun. I invited the kids over for a tea party so we can give them a platform to discuss and express themselves, because a lot of kids are denied that. They don't have to go out to the park to have fun or go and have ice cream. You can transform your own living room or your own house into something that you can have one-on-one with your children, enjoy, listen to what they're going to say, and put yourself in their shoes. Sometimes you just have to do that. Be their buddy, don't be their daddy, so that or their mommy, so that they can actually relate with you on that level. First of all, of course, you have to dress down a little bit to their level. As you can see, I'm wearing something that I actually designed, it's a little cartoon. It gives them that sense of belonging because you're on the same level as they are, and then you talk to them. Everybody's here today with his toy. Can you all flash your toys, everybody? Can you show everybody? Yeah, everybody's toy. Where's your toy? Show them your toy.
Mickey!
That's Mickey. He's hiding Mickey. So as you can see, well, Taz was my favorite character as a cartoon when I was younger. So I used to draw him a lot. I can still draw Taz. So I'm here with Taz. Everybody's going to express himself, talk about his favorite toy, introduce the toy, tell us what he likes about the toy, tell us who gave him the toy and what he likes about that toy. This gives them that sense of being in charge. So you stand up, you tell us about this and why you like it, and then they were going to have it over cookies. Of course, I'm going to be having tea. I have my little teapot here, but the kids are going to be having their own drinks and we'll be having tea too. So Adam, I know you're nervous, but you have to tell us. This is a tea party and everybody here is supposed to express himself. Okay, you're going to tell us something about. So who did you bring to your tea party, to the tea party? Can I see? Do you have a toy there? Okay, that's your favorite toy? Okay, so what is his name? GT. Wow, okay, GT is a speed car, right? Okay, so who gave GT to you?
My auntie.
Wow, your auntie gave you GT? Okay, that's nice. So what can GT do? Show us what GT can do. What can he do? Can he like speed? He's very fast, he can speed, right?
It can go very fast.
Wow, he can go very fast. It's a very, very fast car. Okay, so why do you like GT? Just tell us why you like him.
Because it's really fast.
He's really fast. That's why you like him. Okay, so Adam's toy is called GT. He's a speed car, as you can see, a race car. His auntie, was it your auntie? His auntie gave him GT, and he loves GT because he moves very fast. So he can take him to school, he can help him travel wherever he wants to go to and have fun. Thank you so much, Adam.
Hello, my name is Abdurrahman. My best toy is Bradley.
Where is he? Is that Rick Bradley?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about him.
His color is green. I love cars. And trucks and anything.
Okay, you love cars and trucks and anything. So show us what your car can do. Show us what he can do.
My car can jump. Hi, my name is Modi, and my favorite. I'm here to talk about my favorite toy. The name of my toy is Freddy the Boy. Freddy, I like Freddy because he can bounce and he can roll very fast. My dad gave me Freddy on my 7th birthday.
Okay, that's so nice. All right. Yeah.
My toy's name is Fishy. And I love Fishy because he is cute. He helps me fix my bed and my room.
So what can Fishy do? Show us.
He can swim.
Well, how does he swim?
He swims by his belly.
Using his flippers? What else can he do?
He can bounce.
Show us how he bounces.
He bounces like this.
Wow, he can bounce like that? Okay, so why do you like Fishy?
Because he's cute.
Because he's cute? Alright.
My dog's name is Ruby. And she's my favorite dog. I love to play with her.
Okay, tell us who gave you Ruby.
My mom.
Wow, that's nice. It was a present from mommy. Okay, why do you like Ruby?
Because she makes me happy.
Wow, that's a nice one. So whenever you're feeling sad, Ruby makes you happy? Okay, that's nice. Let's clap for Hanan. Okay, Hanan can pick a cookie there. Okay, Altaf, would you like to talk about Mickey Mouse? Okay, good. Altaf, clap for Altaf. He wants to talk about Mickey Mouse. Okay, after 3, Altaf is going to talk about Mickey Mouse. 1, 2, 3. Altaf, tell us about Mickey.
I like to drive car.
Oh.
I like to fix my mommy's car.
Okay, I know what he's saying. Altaf says that Mickey likes to drive his car and he likes to fix his mommy's car, right? So who gave Mickey to you?
My uncle.
Your uncle, that's lovely. So show us what Mickey can do.
Mickey can bounce.
Wow, Mickey can bounce, everybody. What else can Mickey do?
Mickey can jump and dance.
He can jump and dance. That's really nice. All right. So why do you like Mickey? Is he your favorite toy?
Yes.
Why do you like him?
Mickey helps me mop the kitchen.
He helps him mop the kitchen. Clap for him. All right. Thank you so much, Altaf. Can you please give Altaf a cookie? Thank you.
Sophia kuma tana yin kek, tana yin shawarma, tana yin abinci, tana yin su shinkafa, tana yin rawa, tana gyara abubuwa, tana gyara falo, tana yin wanke-wanke, tana aikin gida.
Ta iya gyara kenan sosai,
Tana iya
Sophia.
gyaran komai, tana gyaran gado.
To waye baki Sophia?
Umma ta bani Sophia ta sayo mana, sannan kuma ina son ta sosai.
So.
I love my mom. My mom helps me with my homework. She always has time for me. She does anything that is good for me. She takes care of me. When I'm sick, she's always panicking to make me feel better.
Okay, let's hear the fun things you do with mommy.
Well, we have playdates together since she's my best friend because she's my mom. And we have sleepovers in my room when my brothers are not around so they feel jealous. We also play some puzzles, play in the kitchen. She helps me to cook and so many things.
How about Daddy?
Daddy, he comes weekends to Kaduna and goes back to Abuja. When we travel to London, when we're together, we play puzzles. He buys us a lot of toys. I was stuck with my mom.
Okay.
I travel a lot of places with my mom. We shop together.
Okay, what fun things do you do with Daddy?
We watch football and play football.
Oh, that's nice.
It's very nice. She cooks food for us. She's very nice. Sometimes we have fun together. And sometimes she used to gets me happy when I'm sad. Like we draw together, competition of racing, even play video game. I have fun with my mom. We go and buy some stuff.
Okay.
We watch some TV.
All right.
Me and my dad, we play.
Okay. What type of play? You play games or what?
We play games like puzzles.
Oh, that's interesting.
And
do you read books?
yeah, we do, and we play games.
Okay. And do you go out sometimes?
Yes.
Okay.
For ice cream.
Wow, for ice cream. You love ice cream, right? Okay, that's nice. Thank you, Hanan.
I had a lot of fun with my mom. We go out a lot to get ice cream. We have so much fun. We play. She'll blow the bubbles, then I'll now pop it.
Okay, pop in the bubbles. What else do you do?
Then we now play catcher.
Okay, and catch. Okay, how about daddy? How do you have fun with daddy?
We go out with him to go and get ice cream.
All right. What else?
We now play. We play tag. I used to play with my mom in the bed.
Okay.
I play with puzzle.
Okay, what else?
But I clean it high in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. All right. Today we really we took a look at how we can actually relate with children and talk about having fun with kids even if you're indoors. Okay. Yes, I've seen the cat. Thank you so much, Altaf. I like that. So we were talking and I got to relate how I've spent a lot of years, at least 13 years, with children from kindergarten, primary school, just to see how they relate, how they like being around people, how they like to express themselves if given the opportunity to. So today I have talked about how you can make your home look more interesting, how you can have the kids come over, spend time with them. Even if it's a 2-bedroom flat you have, there's a way that you can transform your room or your living room just to have fun with them for that moment, make memories, and of course you record memories so that when you're done you can always show the kids when they're all grown up. It's fun, it's a very interesting thing. You have to try and be involved in the lives of your children because nothing else matters. When they're grown up, there's nothing else you can do. You have to start thinking about how to lobby with the grandkids. Thank you very much for your time. You can subscribe to MIW YouTube channel by following the link at the bottom of your screen, of course. Have a nice time.
This was the fun MIW I ever had in my whole life.
What can you say about today? Did you have fun? Tell us what you tell the camera.
We have fun because
Thank you.
we did a tea party. I want more. This is the best tea party in the world. It's the best tea party.
He's just having just good Khadija.
I love this tea party because I got to see all my family and friends and I got to have so much fun with them.
I had so much fun at this tea party. I mingled with the children. I found out about everybody's favorite toy. I found out how to make every child my buddy.
The best party in the world.
Okay, yes.
What does ferocious mean?
Ferocious means wicked or violent. Very ferocious means it's a wicked dog.